Imagine a world where art, music, and literature are created entirely by AI algorithms. Sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming a harsh reality. In the world of art, AI-generated masterpieces are increasingly gaining recognition, with some even selling for millions of dollars. But what does this mean for human creatives? Will we be replaced by our robot counterparts or complemented by their creative abilities? The answer lies in understanding the complex relationship between human and machine creativity. While AI algorithms can generate stunning works of art, they lack the emotional depth and personal touch that human creatives bring to the table. But what happens when AI-generated content becomes indistinguishable from human art? Will we lose the essence of human creativity, or will AI augment our abilities to create something entirely new?
To understand the impact of AI on human creativity, we need to dive deeper into the world of AI-generated art and music. From neural networks to generative adversarial networks, the tools and techniques used to create AI-generated content are rapidly evolving. But how do these algorithms work, and what kind of art are they capable of producing? One example is the use of deep learning algorithms to generate realistic images. These algorithms can learn from vast datasets and produce images that are nearly indistinguishable from human-created ones. But what about the creative process? Do AI algorithms have a sense of creativity, or are they simply mimicking human behavior?
The debate around AI-generated content is heated, with some arguing that it's a game-changer for the creative industries and others claiming it's the end of human ingenuity. But what about the ethics of AI-generated content? Should we be concerned about the potential consequences of AI replacing human creatives? For instance, what happens to the value of human work when AI-generated content becomes widely available? Will we see a decline in the value of human creativity, or will AI augment our abilities to create something entirely new? These are questions that require a nuanced discussion and a deeper understanding of the complex relationship between human and machine creativity.
Looking to the future, it's clear that AI-generated content will continue to shape the creative industries in unprecedented ways. But what does this mean for human creatives? Will we adapt to this new reality, or will we struggle to find our place in a world where AI-generated content dominates? One thing is certain: the relationship between human and machine creativity will continue to evolve, and it's up to us to navigate this new landscape. By understanding the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI-generated content, we can harness its power to create something truly remarkable.
So, what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? How can you harness the power of AI-generated content to amplify your creative abilities? The answer lies in embracing the AI-human creative partnership and exploring new possibilities for collaboration. By combining the strengths of human and machine creativity, we can create something truly innovative and groundbreaking. In conclusion, the rise of AI-generated content is a double-edged sword. While it may replace some human creatives, it also offers unprecedented opportunities for collaboration and innovation. By embracing this new reality, we can harness the power of AI to create something truly remarkable. So what do you think? Will AI replace human creativity, or will we find a way to coexist? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about the intersection of AI and human creativity, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and insights.